Mother's Day snow 2014. Daddy's whipping them around the side yard. Got lots of snow. Lots of snow. Look at our poor trees, our poor bushes. Bring them back over here and I'll do it. Here they come. Here they come. Woo! Okay, here you get video of Mommy doing it.
Okay.
Funny.
Video.
Ready? Let's go.
There we go. Here goes. See a workout. She's giving a pep talk.
You're faster than me, apparently. Yeah. We just do Rosie. She's pretty easy.
Watch out! Careful that rock there, Mama. Come on the other side. Whoa, Rosie's going around Olympic. She's going for Olympic record. Woo! Go, 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 go. All right. How do I unrecord? Hit the button, right?